congratulations, and may you have a good marriage and relationship and communication to come. So this is Mana Vicky from Vancouver, Canada. And all your aunts and uncles and Manding Lale.
Manding! Congratulations!
Gumana on my birthday.
Monday's birthday.
Yeah, it's Manding's birthday today. Your 80th birthday today. We're here. All the Batmananons are here.
Mother Flores!
Kami chat dengan
Hi, Karen!
And your hubby. Best wishes to both of you.
More blessings and more babies to come. Ate Missy!
Hi Karen. Congratulations. Best wishes.
Guys! Si Papa! Papa Dudes! Message kang Karen! O sa iyong bana! Naka-record dali! Dali! O saan ka isulti ni mo? Nakainom na si Papa! Kay!
Anak ko nasusan.
Si!
Hello Karen.
Karen,
Your partner.
1 million ipadanig sa amin.
Yan ka, pamulipayon ka sa inyong kasal.
Dayan sa kayrong number.
Ang sa mga kanang live na.
And
Ipadaan
happy wedding to you. Okay, bye-bye. Love you.
Uncle Nick!
So, yata.
Hello. Hi. So, enjoy your wedding day. Kung doon na mo yung mga problema, ayaw pa ugmain ha. Solbara dayon.
Maayos ikaw.
Muna yung from the experience.
Yan, day ka rin,
Yeah.
Among buwak pala nimo day.
Oh, flowers!
Pala nimo, flowers pala nimo. Ako na lang ALBC, baka pinanag 1 million.
Lagi ka tumama ha? Timan eh.
1 million ko na, 1 million.
1 million.
Magtapok sa tanan! Tapok tanan!
Sige. Oh, ari na masing ari.
Tapok tanan dito ba? Hey, picture ba? Mo greet man?
Happy.
Ay, hindi ka mo apil. Tukti kay mo apil ko.
Enjoy the party.
Congratulations! Best wishes!
Make the best. Cheers.
Wine!
Yeah.
Ha?